I said farewell, you took it well. Promise I won't cry over spilled milk. Give me a paper towel, give me another value, give me another hour or two, hour with you.
Hey yo, look like I'm going for a swim. Dunk on him, now I'm swinging off the rim. Bitch ain't coming off the bench while I'm coming off the.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So you guys already know what's going down, so let's get right into the video. First, I'm parting my hair into two sections so that I can create the two buns on top of my hair. And I'm using jam to slick down my natural hair today. I'm putting that all over the section and just brushing it in with a hard brush. Make sure it's a hard brush and not a soft brush so you can really slick it down. And I'm gonna repeat the same thing on the other side. And as you guys can see, I put away some of my baby hairs that I would want to be left out because her baby hairs were really dramatic in the Barbie Tingz video, so that's how I wanted them to look. Her baby hairs in that video, as you can see, were very dramatic, so I tried to like mimic that. I didn't want it to look too crazy, you know. I still wanted it to look, you know, somewhat natural. So I kind of played around with it, and this is what I came up with. I like it, it's cute. So right now I'm just tying down my hair just to set those baby hairs in place. And then I'm just gonna move on to my makeup. So first I'm taking my Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser as a primer. It is so soft, like I love this stuff. And I'm gonna prime my face with that. Next I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Coverage HD Foundation, and it's in a medium color. I wanted to mix this with my Fenty Beauty to see how it would come out. Right now I'm taking my Fenty Beauty foundation in the color 450, and I'm just gonna mix those two foundations together. Next I'm gonna take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, and I'm going to conceal under my eyes, my dark circles, on the bridge of my nose, my forehead, over my lips, and under my chin. Next, I'm taking my Black Opal translucent setting powder, and it's in the color 400 medium. And I'm just gonna bake my face with that. Next, I'm taking my Fit Me powder foundation, and it's in the color 360. And I'm setting all the places that are not under my eyes, and then I'm gonna dust off whatever is on my eyes from the Black Opal translucent setting powder, if that makes sense. Now I'm gonna take my Maybelline Nudes palette, and I'm gonna take the darkest brown shades that I'm showing you there, and I'm gonna put that on my outer crease. Next, I'm taking this gold color, and I'm gonna put that on the base of my eyelids. And next, I'm going to take my Inglot gel eyeliner, and I'm going to create a nice winged out wing. Nicki Minaj's look was very simple. You know, it wasn't too dramatic, so it's a very simple makeup look. Next, I'm taking my L'Oreal Infallible Setting Spray, and I'm going to set my face with that. And then after that, I'm going to take my Master Chrome highlight, and I'm going to highlight my face very lightly. Next, I'm going to take off my scarf and see how my baby hairs are going. Yes, and now I'm just fixing up my makeup on top there. This is the type of hair that I use. I just took it and split it in two. I only needed one pack. So I just took one pack and split it in two. And then I took one side of that and wrapped it around my natural hair. And then I put bobby pins in to keep it in place. And next, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Universal Lip Gloss, and I'm just going to lightly apply that to my lips. And of course, it wouldn't be a Nicki Minaj, Chun, Barbie Tingz look if I didn't have the earrings. I really enjoyed creating this look for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye!
When I first saw you, that's when I really know I want it. To get close to you, everything that you say comes all the things that you do. I wouldn't mind playing the fool for you. That's how you got me, that's how you got me.